Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith and this is your GIS News for November 30. A modern medical waste management plant has been officially opened in downtown Kingston. The $3 million facility is the third of its kind in the English-speaking Caribbean, and funding was obtained from the World Bank under the National HIV/AIDS Prevention and Control Project. The Health Ministry estimates that the sector generates approximately 1,596 tons of medical waste annually, of which 83% is produced by public healthcare facilities. Portfolio Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says the state-of-the-art non-incineration automated plant will improve the management of medical waste using steam sterilization and shredding technology.
This is an occasion which represents a watershed in the management of waste derived from public hospitals and other related sources. The treatment selected is believed to be a cutting-edge technology that is environmentally friendly, therefore will enable a positive public health outcome.
Mining Minister Philip Paulwell is expressing confidence that the Alpart bauxite and alumina plant at Nain in St. Elizabeth will reopen soon. The minister says his confidence is based on the fact that discussions are going well with UC Rosal, the majority shareholders and operators of the plant. Minister Paulwell made the comments while addressing a rural electrification program lighting ceremony in Powelltown, Southfield, St. Elizabeth this week. He said the latest round of discussions with representatives of UC Rosal took place on November 27 and another was scheduled for the near future. The minister emphasized that before the end of this year, a date and schedule for the reopening of the plant must be established. The State Minister for Energy, Julian Robinson, is affirming that government remains committed to energy diversification and conservation. He was speaking at a stakeholders workshop hosted by the ministry in collaboration with World Watch Institute at the Knutsford Court Hotel in Kingston earlier this week.
The commitment to diversification remains. The commitment to identifying cheaper sources of fuel remain. And I would say, as an administration, this is the #1 priority for us.
The State Minister said as all options are explored, the country must develop local capacity and the expertise to solve its challenges. Firefighters attached to the Santa Cruz fire station in St. Elizabeth are now serving the public from more comfortable and modern facilities. The fire station was recently refurbished at a cost of $14.7 million with funding from the local government and Community Development Ministry and contributions from other public and private sources. The scope of the project included the construction of a new officers' dormitory, expansion of the existing kitchen space, a reinforced concrete slab roof, and upgraded electrical network, along with a new floor, tiles, windows, doors, and plumbing fixtures. Every Jamaican worker is being encouraged to make retirement planning a serious focus. The call was made this week by pension fund manager at NCB Insurance Company Desmond Johnson at the annual general meeting for the executive agency's pension scheme. He urged those who already have a pension plan to resist the temptation to withdraw contributions before reaching retirement age.
The main purpose of the pension plan is not for saving, like a savings account where you put your money there and then you leave when you leave the company and take a refund. But what that will do, that will take away your pension benefit at retirement.
He also encouraged persons who work for employers that do not have a pension plan to join an approved retirement scheme and benefit from tax-free investments. And finally, the achievements and talents of students with special needs were showcased at a Disabilities Awareness Exposition earlier this week. The event was hosted by the Special Education Unit of the Ministry of Education at its Canewood Center location in Kingston Wednesday. The unit says it staged the exposition to show that when these students are enabled, they can make worthwhile contributions to the overall development of society. Meanwhile, Executive Director of the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities, Christine Hendricks, encouraged Jamaicans to help remove the barriers that handicap persons with disabilities.
This is necessary so that true development of our society can take place without leaving anyone behind.
And that's it for GIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.